How to convert a Facebook profile to page. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So to convert a Facebook profile to page, first of all launch the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen and simply scroll down and tap on the pages option. Now let me tell you that there is no direct way to convert a Facebook profile to a page properly. Rather, you have to create a page from your profile. So what you need to do is simply tap on the create option at the top left corner of the screen and here tap on get started. So what you need to do is simply tap on the page name and create a name for the page. So let me create a page over here, then tap on next, and here you need to select a category over here. So I'm going to select for this one over here and then tap on create. So as you tap on create, you'll be able to create or convert a Facebook profile to page over here. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.